Greetings, Mark Brown here. I'm going to show you exactly how you can upload a video to TikTok right on your desktop computer, right? So this time you have the video on the computer, you want to upload it to TikTok. How you going to actually get that? I'm going to guide you through this particular here. All right, if you notice itself, this itself is TikTok. So the first thing you have to make sure it says sign in. So plus you can see, you notice actually sign into it already. So this itself is TikTok. We have follow friend, live, and all of that so far. Notice I have the search right here. So if you notice right up here, say upload. So I want to click on that. When you click on it, definitely you're going to take me this section where it says select a video to upload. It assume that we can actually drag it, right? Come right here, click on select. And if I come right here, click on select. Right, let me see exactly what's going on right here. As you can see, these are the different video right here that you can actually select on, right? So if you come like this, you can select this in one of these, right? So I'm going to click how to convert Word to PDF. We're going to click on this one. I'm going to come all the way down here. So say open. We're going to click. All right. So when you do that, this is exactly what it looks like right up here. All right. So if I scroll up, you notice it show you side right here. If you notice right here, so say how to convert Word to PDF right here. If I scroll up, this is the cover page, which you can actually put a picture. But if you notice, it show the phone right over here. How it look like. Then right here to everyone, you can come right here, make the adjustment. Either to everyone, our friend, I just want to you alone. Right there. Right. If you notice right here, you can actually send it out now, or you can make a post right here. Here, you can come right here and click and run as check right here. You check we say if there is a copyright. Okay, if you notice right here. All right, that is okay. Right here, so you can click right here, show you more. You can comment right here, notice. And all of that. You can go back up. Right here, should I can post and discard. If you recognize and you post. Right. If you notice right here, you can upload another video. What I can do, right? You click right here, say manage post. And when you click on manage post right here, this is the video that you actually just post a while ago. Right here. Definitely, you notice. That's exactly how it go up here. I can actually show again how to actually upload again just the same. So if you want to sign out, right? I know to click right to say go back. Definitely. So actually onto this particular section, so you can actually go back. Right, so far. So if you notice, this is section up to the page right here. If you want to log out of it right there, what you can definitely do, you come right up here. You see the profile picture right there. So you put on it now. Alright, let me move this a bit. Shift it. Alright, you go to profile picture. Notice this is safe. You log out. You can just click on it. Alright, it's sure. Are you sure you want to log out? You click on log out. Just like that. And it take you back to the regular screen right here. It actually show you could sign up. You can actually close it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.